In this video, we get to know the settings of the instrument position in more detail. Instrument height means how high the measuring device is held. The instrument can be, for example, a laser distance meter. The default values for this setting can be saved in the application settings. Height of 3 different tools can be saved, which can be recalled by using the swipe gesture. If measurements are taken from a level other than the floor, for example from the stage, the height offset value is used to compensate for the height difference between the floor level and the stage. In this case, the stage height would be entered in this field. For example, in cases where the laser does not hit everywhere from the front edge of the stage, it may be necessary to move a little further back. In this case, the depth offset value is used to compensate for the difference in the depth direction. The position of the instrument is the general value of the selected measurement page. All individual measurements in the measurement table are taken from the same place. Thanks for watching this tutorial by OK Sound.